Times Fashion Week finale for the great Saman. And I'm so happy, first of all, because I've been following his story. And I love the fact that Saman, that you promote the artisans so much from the very beginning. And especially this collection today, I would like to speak about that. I got to know he's doing Indian after really long. And I'm really glad that, I'm piece, and the collection is called Raza, and it shows the empowerment of women, which he always represents. He empowers the artisans, local, the treasure of India. So he does that, and he empowers women. So it's like when you empower women by giving them power of what they do, it's like an armor. And I think that's what Raza is, and that's what Saman feels great. I'm so happy that I worked for him. It's an honor because, and I feel like whenever designers love anyone, when they truly love women and they see women as the beauty that they are, it shows in their designs, and I think it just shows it.
Yeah. So it's after a long time we've been doing Indian wear, and I'm glad that Isha is wearing it and she's stopping the show. So
let her the finale, sir.
It's always amazing come to and see how Hyderabad, and my first buyer is also from when I started, I think 15-20 years back. It's a Hyderabad, and it's been always a good market for us, so always wanted to come back and put it.
Favorite food, Hyderabad, they were just asking me what I really like, and it's so funny, I'm vegetarian, but I think a lot of people don't know Hyderabad's pickles are world famous in my life. Okay, so whenever I come, I pack a lot of pickles because they have really good spicy pickles, all kind of pickles. So I am a very big fan of Hyderabad pickles, and I love Hyderabadi people in general. The vibe, the whole city is a vibe, the whole city is Nawabi, and I think that's why today's show also made sense, because you get the history, the royalty, that Hyderabad carries with itself, and someone's also got it with it.
Upcoming projects,
I just finished my Dhamal, and that's it. We are waiting for that release now on Eid.
ఈరోజు మనము పార్క్ హయాత్లో ఒక పెద్ద ఎత్తున హైదరాబాద్ టైమ్స్ ఫ్యాషన్ వీక్ జరిగింది. దీనికి మా స్మజ ఆమె డిజైనర్, సో వరలక్ష్మి ఈ సారీ అంటే ఒక బుటీక్ నుంచి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ కలెక్షన్ అసలు వేసుకుంటే చాలా నిజంగా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది. అట్లాంటి కలెక్షన్ ఉంది. ద జ్యువెలరీ బై సిద్ధార్థ జ్యువెలర్స్, and most importantly the young and dynamic and fabulous Maja, very well done at this age. The way she's taking the designs, especially the tradition in all our Kanchi Pattu sarees, is extremely good, very elegant, and I'm proud of all the people who have worked with me. And of course, Ritika, the very beautiful, and I wish her all the best for her future ventures. And thank you so much for making me a part of this beautiful event. Spectacular. Thank you.
Yeah, Ritika. So beautiful.
Thank you so much. I am very, very delighted and very happy to be a part of Varama Lakshmi's, one of the showstoppers today. And they have amazing and such beautiful collection. I'm so happy to be wearing one today. Even the jewelry and today the whole choreography and the whole thing for the fashion week was amazing, and I'm so happy to be here in Times Hyderabad Fashion Week. Mahalakshmi, and congratulations to you. You're so young. I think we're the same age or something. Yeah. And I'm so happy to see young budding artists in today's industry. So good to see fresh faces with fresh inspirations and concepts. So happy to be part here.
ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు మరి టైమ్స్ ఫ్యాషన్?
చాలా హ్యాపీ, చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది, and very very nervous but very happy at the same time.
Any movies?
Ante next 2 movies only. First one with Varun Tej garu and next one with Anand, coming soon.
Hi, I'm Sumaja from Varma Lakshmi Silks, and this is my first fashion show with Times Fashion Week Hyderabad, and I'm very blessed to have the incredible Dr. Preeti Reddy garu and the gorgeous Ritika Nayak along with me. Thank you so much for walking the show and making it a huge success.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.